Greetings everyone, and welcome to Modern World Dynamics, the place where we delve into the intriguing nuances of human interactions. Today we're about to embark on a journey into an intriguing topic: why women test men when they sense weakness. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Oh great, another video telling me how women are these complex creatures. But let me assure you, this isn't about painting anyone as complicated or difficult. It's about understanding the dynamics at play. And remember, men are just as complex, if not more. We're like those Rubik's Cubes you got for Christmas when you were a kid, remember? Seemed simple until you tried to solve it. So sit back, relax, and get ready to unravel this fascinating aspect of human behavior. So buckle up as we explore the dynamics of this fascinating aspect of human interaction. To understand why women test men when they sense weakness, we first need to understand the concept of tests. Now, don't get flustered. We're not talking about the kind of tests you'd take in school. There are no pop quizzes or final exams in relationships. Rather, these are subtle evaluations that occur in our everyday interactions. They're not necessarily designed to trip you up or catch you out, but to reveal your true character. Let's consider an everyday example. Picture this. You're out shopping with your partner when she suddenly hands you her bag to hold. It might seem like an innocent request. After all, she's just asked you to hold her bag, right? But in reality, this could be a test. How you respond to this request could speak volumes about your character and how you perceive your role in the relationship. If you take the bag without complaint, it could indicate that you're accommodating and willing to help out. If you grumble, but still take the bag, it might suggest that you're not particularly happy about being asked, but you're willing to do it for her sake. And if you refuse outright, well, it could imply that you're not comfortable with the idea of being seen in public holding a woman's handbag. But why do women conduct these tests? Well, it boils down to a key factor: the desire to find a suitable partner. By observing how a man reacts in various situations, a woman can gain insights into his character, his values, his strengths, and his weaknesses. This information can then be used to determine whether or not he's a good fit as a long-term partner. But it's not just about identifying weaknesses. These tests also provide an opportunity for men to demonstrate their strengths. If a man shows that he's comfortable with himself and his masculinity, that he's supportive, and that he's willing to step out of his comfort zone for the sake of his partner, then he's likely to pass the test with flying colors. Tests, then, are a way of gauging a person's character, strength, and suitability as a partner. Now that we know what tests are, let's delve into the psychology behind them. You see, the roots of these tests go way back to a time when humans were nomadic, living in caves and hunting for survival. In that era, a woman needed a man who could provide and protect. This primal instinct, embedded deep within the subconscious, manifests today as these tests. It's not some sort of game or whimsical play. Rather, it's an innate desire for security and a strong partner. Let's illustrate this with a story. Imagine a woman named Jane. Jane is independent, strong, and capable, yet when she meets John, she finds herself putting him through tests. She doesn't do this consciously. It's not like she wakes up and thinks, "Today I will test John's patience by being indecisive about dinner." No, it's more subtle than that. It's her subconscious mind trying to determine if John is a reliable partner. Jane might test John's patience, his ability to handle stress, his generosity, or even his confidence. Each of these tests gives her a glimpse into how John might behave in different situations. Is he patient when she's having a bad day? Can he handle stress when life throws a curveball? Is he generous with his time and resources? Is he confident enough to stand his ground when necessary? Each positive response to these tests reassures Jane's subconscious mind that John is a strong, reliable partner. It's not about finding a perfect man, because let's face it, no one is perfect. It's about finding a partner who can stand strong in the face of life's challenges. So, when a woman tests a man, it's not about creating hurdles for the sake of amusement. It's about satisfying that deep-seated primal need for security. It's about finding a partner who can weather the storms of life together. So tests are not merely whims or games, but rooted in deep psychological needs. Before we proceed, a quick reminder to hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying our content. You know, it takes a village to bring you these nuggets of wisdom, and that's where you come in. By subscribing and sharing our channel with others, you're helping us grow our community and reach more people with our enlightening and entertaining videos. But that's not all. A lot of in-depth research goes into making these videos, and your donations can make a huge difference. They enable us to delve deeper, to bring you richer and more insightful content. So if you're feeling generous, consider making a donation. The link is right there in the description below. Remember, every bit counts. Whether you're subscribing, sharing, or donating, you're making a valuable contribution to Modern World Dynamics. Your support helps us keep bringing you intriguing insights into the dynamics of the modern world. Now, back to our topic. Understanding why women test men is one thing, knowing how to respond is another. So let's dive into the nitty-gritty of responding to these tests. The golden rule is to always stay true to your authentic self. No one likes a phony, and women are no different. They are testing you to see your true colors, not a facade. For instance, let's imagine a scenario where you're at a party with the woman you're dating. She points out a man dressed in flashy designer clothes and asks you why you don't dress like him. This could be a test to see how you react to perceived inadequacy. A failed response would be to become defensive or insecure, making excuses for your fashion choices. This shows a lack of confidence and self-assuredness, which can be a turn-off. On the other hand, a successful response could be something along the lines of, "I prefer my style, it's comfortable and it's me. Plus, I think I look pretty dashing, don't you?" This shows that you're confident in your own skin and aren't easily swayed by others. Another scenario could be a woman making a joke at your expense. If you respond with anger or annoyance, it could show that you take yourself too seriously and can't take a joke. A better response would be to laugh along and even playfully tease her back. This shows that you're secure in yourself and have a good sense of humor. But remember, the key here is authenticity. You shouldn't pretend to be someone you're not just to pass a test. Women are pretty good at sniffing out insincerity. So if you're not naturally witty or outgoing, don't pretend to be. It's better to be genuine and risk failing a test than to put on a show and get caught in a lie. So remember, confidence and authenticity are key when responding to tests. As we wrap up, remember that understanding women's tests is not about manipulation, but about understanding and communication. We've delved into the psychology behind these tests, showing that they are often rooted in a desire for assurance and security. We've also explored how to respond, emphasizing the importance of confidence, authenticity, and respect. Now, let's take a moment to lighten the mood. Picture this. A man, let's call him Dave, is on a first date. His date asks him, "Dave, do you think I look fat in this dress?" Dave, remembering our advice, confidently responds, "You look absolutely stunning." And just like that, Dave passes the test with flying colors. Jokes aside, the key takeaway here is to stay true to yourself, communicate effectively, and understand that tests are not necessarily a bad thing. Thank you for joining us on Modern World Dynamics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights. Greetings, cherished viewers. I trust you're relishing today's content. However, before we return to the main event, I've got a thrilling announcement. This interlude is sponsored by Modern World Dynamics. Yes, that's us, and we have an unbeatable proposition exclusively for you. We're on a mission to inject dynamism into your life, and there's no better way to accomplish that than with our exceptional online courses. Here's a sneak peek at a few. Perhaps you're aiming to elevate your dating prowess with our men's dating course, or you're keen to refine your attire with our men's style course. Rest assured, we've got you sorted. For those on the quest for a life partner, our How to Find a Husband course is a must. Conversely, if you're a duo seeking to solidify your financial stability, financial planning for couples is just the ticket. For those aspiring to carve out a digital niche, our courses like How to Build a Personal Brand and How to Grow Your Social Media are ideal. And remember, the flawless dating profile is merely a course away. If you're a tad unsure about initiating contact, our How to Approach Women course has your back. Visit our website at www.modernworlddynamics.com and revolutionize your life today. Thank you for tuning in and for choosing Modern World Dynamics for your personal development voyage. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to our courses, assisting you in navigating the modern world's dynamics. Now back to the captivating content you are enjoying. Until our next encounter, remain inquisitive, stay connected, and continue to explore the dynamics of the modern world. Cheers, everyone.